Let me show you how to make a rigatoni with a delicious meat sauce. It will impress your entire family. You need a large onion, a large garlic, and half of a green pepper, and mince it and put it to the side. You need about 1.5 pounds of lean ground beef, and you're gonna go ahead and cook it. Do not add any spices and leave all the drippings in the frying pan and throw all of those garlic and onion and peppers into those drippings, and we're gonna add salt and Italian seasoning. Give everything a good mix and leave it there for about 5 minutes. Now we're gonna grab the ground beef and we're gonna put everything back in, give everything a good mix again. Now we're gonna add 28 ounces of crushed red tomatoes. I always like to add a little bit of sugar just to bring down the acidity. Give everything a good mix again. Throw in a little water, use the same can of the tomato sauce, just a little bit, give everything a good mix, and let it simmer for 1 hour. That's the secret to getting a really delicious sauce. After an hour, let's grab a pot with water, bring it to a boil, and we're gonna throw in the rigatoni. And we're gonna cook it for about 10 to 11 minutes. While the pasta is cooking, let's throw in some fresh Parmesan cheese and give everything a really good mix. And keep it on low and then cover it back up again. Now let's grab a large coriander and we're gonna go ahead and drain the pasta, and we're gonna put the pasta back into the large pot, and we're gonna put all of that sauce into the large pot with the rigatoni and give everything a good mix. Now it's time to serve, and you can add some fresh Parmesan on top as well and enjoy this beautiful dinner with your family. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.